Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge i-support nothando nesikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisiphote njalo ngokubuka amavideo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla. Lesihlanu ebusuku sithola imbiko ngokudutshulwa nokufa kuka-Witness D, ogama lakhe lingu-Marius van der Merwe. Major General Kekana uma ekhuluma nabezindaba eseqeda kuthola i-briefing usazisa ukuthi mabebheka kwi-CCTV kuvele ibhaki NP200. Leli bhaki leli labonakala egarage ngesikhathi kuzolahleka ama-constable laba abathathu abagcina beshonela imoto yabatholakala emfuleni. Nalana futhi kubonakale leyo bhaki leyo. Okutheke ngeSaturday kwaphuma nasi statement. The NUT Joint Co-Chairs, inclusive of South African Police Service, South African National Defence Force and Security State Agent, today met with officials of the Madlanga Commission of Inquiry. Following the gruesome killing of Mr. Marius van der Merwe, officials from the Department of Justice and Constitutional Development also form part of this meeting to discuss the safety and security of witnesses and officials. The meeting, held in Pretoria at the NUT Joint Operations Center, agreed to enhance the Commission's security operational plan over the next two days. While extensive measures have been put in place to secure witnesses and officials since the start of the Commission, the meeting identified a need to heighten these measures by roping in the NUT Joints and all other relevant role players. As investigations proceed into the murder of Mr. van der Merwe, members of the public are urged not to speculate. NUT Joints and the Commission will brief members of the media in due course. Sukwini la izolo emini, uGeneral Van Masemula mayikhuluma nabezindaba kwi-media briefing ushilo ukuthi there are 3 people of interest kulolu daba. Uma uphenyo lwabo belenza lubaholela kulabantu abawu-3, oyedwa wabo bamthathile for questioning. Lokho bekukwasemini okuthe mali yoshona ilanga asebesazisa ukuthi ibhaki leyo isitholakele.
With an update on how far investigations are. Thank you, colleagues.
Okay,
are we
thanks. Good evening, everyone. We came here to the house. We met with the investigation team earlier on the murder case of Marius van der Merwe. Ourselves, together with the IPID, has been investigating a murder case of Duduza, where an African male's body was found down in a dam in 2022. But this case, I must say, since 2022, this case has been with the IPID. They are the investigators of the case. We have just met the family of van der Merwe, the wife and parents, to brief them on how far investigations are into this murder. We have confirmed to the family that we do not believe that, we have confirmed to the family that we do believe that we have found one of the vehicles that were used during the shooting. Apparently there were 2 vehicles used, a sedan and a bakkie. So we found the bakkie vehicle. On the evening of the murder of the deceased, a video footage shows the white bakkie pulling up around here and did some observations, but there was also a darkish hatchback vehicle that was seen on the scene. For now, we have found only one. We are still looking for the other vehicle. At this stage, we do believe that the bakkie that was abandoned in Alexandra Township is the right one, which was doing some observation here. And as I said, we are looking for the other one. So according to our crime scene experts, they will do investigations on the vehicle, and we also have 3 persons of interest that we believe can assist us in resolving this case. We are We've taken one in for questioning, and we are closing in on the suspects. We think we will be able to update the nation as we go along. But for now, we are only doing questioning for one of the people. We will get to the others, and that's how far we went in terms of people that we suspect are linked to the Marius van der Merwe case. We must also say that there was an attempted murder which we all aware of on Marius van der Merwe in September 2025, in which he indicated that there were two wild males that were following him with a bakkie. We are still looking for the murder weapon that was used for this current case now. Possible motives, we currently cannot indicate as to what is the motive. There are possibilities of every angle, so we do not want to, at this stage, speculate. We don't rule out what's happening at Madlanga, but also we don't say that might be solely the motive. There's quite a various other angles to the case that might be linked to the motive. In terms of safety and security of officials and witnesses involved in the Madlanga Commission, the National Joints had a meeting yesterday with the Commission security to look at all other security aspects that entails all officials that are involved in that regard. Once finalized, of course, they will beef up areas that require further improvement in terms of security, both on officials and witnesses. I must emphasize that we are working together as a team. Of course, yes, everyone have a responsibility to do, but we are working together as a team. Thank you very much.
Mzuleko National Commissioner General Masemula esichazela okunye futhi okubalekile akuvezile ukuthi le ndoda ke yalandelwa ngoSeptember. Bakuke kwazama kwaba nama attempt okuzama ukuthatha impilo yakhe ngoSeptember azange aphumelele. Nakhona kwakunebhaki kodwa li different from le bhaki lelo khulunywa ngalo. Okwenzakalalayo kuyiproof yalento enhlezi ngisho ukuthi uma amaphoyisa efuna ukwenza umsebenzi wawo ayawenza. Uma nje ezimisele ngokwenza umsebenzi wawo ayawenza. Lensizwe idudule ngolesihlanu ebusuku. Ngomsombuluko lithi liyoshonela ngasebeyitholile ibhaki. There are 3 people of interest. Nakhona abakasho ukuthi babasola kodwa bazobaphenya. Kubonakala ukuthi ayikho into ebalinkayo nale case. Kodwa liyothi liphela iviki, yothi kuphela amabili, kuphela inyanga, so besikhuluma ezinye indaba. Ngikusho lokho ngoba buka ispeed nendlela kwenzeka ngayo. Amaphoyisa uma ngabe efuna ukwenza umsebenzi, leyo case leyo bayenza priority. Imphumela yakho isheshe ibonakala. Kodwa ngiyazi kunamameda enzeka bafika amaphoyisa afika iforensic yenza yonke namhlanje akasolve ngoba akusi priority kubo leyo. Akuyona ipriority. So kunento enjalo nje la ngoba vele njengabantu asilingani futhi asifani. Lokho nje ufuna sikwamukele ukuthi njengabantu asifani futhi asilingani. iNCA ibe ne-exclusive interview nabanye abantu abebesebenzisana kanye naye uWitness D van der Merwe. Baphinde futhi labantu bakhuluma izinto ezishaqisayo ngoba basitshela ukuthi kune hit list and okubhlungu ngathi inkabi lezi ezenza kahle lo msebenzi zibuye KZN. Lokho nje ngifike ngakuzwa. Ngizokucaphunela lo ama clip kuleyo interview leyo uzizwele. Enye into futhi abayibekayo iPD icase yango 2022 leya lesidumbu lesesalahlwe emanzini ayikazi yasenza priority. That's why kuphele 3 years ingekho into eyaphambili. Bephila bonke abantu okukhona sowashona. Kodwa iningi labantu okuthiwa ba implicated no witness D njobade ekhuluma kweCommission kaMadlanga ubephila. Ukuthi yini le inkinga asaza kunje ngoba phela siwana amaphoyisa asazi ukuthi kubuye kusetshenzwe kanjani.
When asked about police involvement in rogue activities, this is what he had to say.
I cannot disclose that.
Why not?
Because I'll fear for my life if I disclose that.
Question is, are cops involved in truck hijackings, yes or no?
Well, we all know that the blue light hijackings take place, don't we? So all of that, they must get it from somewhere.
And are you happy to take this evidence you have to the Madlanga Commission?
If the Madlanga Commission asks me to come and give evidence, I will give evidence.
Both men allege they're now starring on a hit list, a roster which they claim also included Van der Merwe. And it's also thanks to the sensitive information they have about syndicate operations.
100% I did get a phone call to say, watch your back.
Do you think you're next?
I actually received a phone call that did warn me that I need to protect myself. Yeah, people might think because Marius is gone now, I'm the next big one to have information. I'm not scared that my life is short or I'm going to be taken out. Even though the threats were already given to me, I am more than capable to protect myself, but I fear for my family's life and I fear for people close to me. What happened to Marius in front of his family should have never happened. And I don't wish that upon anyone.
There's a hit list, apparently, as per what the information is. Marius was on the hit list, Etienne's on the hit list. A lot of people that was mentioned in the Madlanga Commission apparently is on the hit list. And apparently it's a crew from KZN that's doing the hits. So that's what the information we've got, and the information we will share with whoever needs to have the information. So the people must contact me.
ENCA understands that IPID and police have now prioritized the Brakpan 2022 murder case mentioned by Van der Merwe.
Akunzima la eSouth Africa. Njengoba bengishilo nami before ukuthi icase yango 2022 kuze kube 2025 lokusaphenywana nayo. IPD namaphoyisa azange bayiprioritize le case, azange bayithathe serious. Sizokhumbula ukuthi uYusuf Abraham G ukhiphe i-voice note lapho uMarius Van der Merwe beka-contacte khona. Wathi uyafisa ukuthi babonane akhulume ezokwazi ukumchazela noku-expose the state officials aba-involved kulento ye-illegal immigrants ne-illegal mining. Yazi ngibone enye ipost ku-X ezwa ngeTwitter ifundeka kanje. Dan Marupa, ask yourself why that boss of Zamazamas escaped after he was arrested at Stilfontein mine. Ask yourself why our borders were weakened by cutting SA Army and police budget. Ask yourself why Operation Tudula is hated so much by government officials, but illegal immigrants protected. Angiyibambe le video, bengikupha nje update yokuthi ibhaki leli okuyilona lona libonakala kwi-CCTV footage litholakele Alex lidampiwe emva kwemall. Angazi iphi imall ke lapha Alex abachazanga, kodwa litholakele ibhaki lelo. Noma ke besafuna lenye imoto abathi isideni naye ebonakele. Nabasolwa laba banabo abakabe ama-suspects aba people of interest ngoba basabaphenya. Uma bengathola into ebalinkayo ke bazoba basolwa kule case. Kodwa siyafisa ke sengathi bangabuthola ubulungiswa noma engeke savuka uVan der Merwe, kodwa at least umndeni wakhe ubuthola ubulungiswa ngoba vele bona babazobuthola kulesimo nakulesigaba amaphoyisa azobuthola ubulungiswa. Kodwa lokhu kuyakuprovela njengomuntu nje ofana nami ukuthi asilingani la emhlabeni futhi asifani. So nendlela esithithwa ngayo nangendlela okuzosukela ngumenyelwa ngayo ama-case athinta thina ayizukufana. Siyabonga kodwa umsebenzi wenziwa amaphoyisa. Inke ngicabangela imindeni yabantu abanama-murder cases angakaza resolve namanje. Uthi amaphoyisa uma ngabe engayenza priority njengoba enze le case ungawubona umehluko. Buka indaba ngo-2022 ingoba bengeyona ipriority. Sizoloku silandela ke sizwe ukuthi bathini. Bengithi nje update wazi kwenzakalani. Ngale kwalokho mina nawe asidibane kwi-video landelayo. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.